Hey everybody, J&A RV Reviews, and today we're at Bish's RV right here in Calera, Alabama for their grand opening. So today we're going to be looking at a 2026 Alliance Delta, model number 292RL. So let's get started. The length on this Delta is 33 feet, 11 inches. The dry weight is 7,485 and a hitch weight of 802. GVWR of 9,450. Now before we get started, if you want 15% off on liquefied, check out our description for all the details.
Yes, we have a coupon code and we can't wait to share it with you. We don't see just a whole lot of Deltas, so we were excited to bring this one to you. So for you guys who like a traditional rear living floor plan but don't necessarily want the stairs of a fifth wheel, I think you're really going to like this one.
And the length is shorter.
Yeah, it's actually a really good length. Right up front, you see it is going to have a power tongue jack. Your propane bottles will go under that cover, and of course your batteries are going to mount back here. Now in your control area here, your hookups are all in here. You do have a filter system. Your slide control is in here. Love that. Love the access panel that you can get to your wiring and things like that. Really nice size pass-through storage, and we're going to show you this neat table thing on the other side. Now this one does have manual stabilizers on it, which actually surprises me a little bit. I kind of thought it might have electric. But it doesn't, so it just is.
Tankless water heater.
It is right there. Yes, it is. Dump area right down there.
There's your tank pools.
Pools are next to it.
Oh, you got a sewer caddy.
Yes, you do. Right over there next to your low point drains. So for people who keep posting pictures and want to know what those things are, that's what they are. I'm just saying. I thought everybody knew that, but I guess not.
And you get too close with the camera.
I know. Well, I'm very close to another unit, so sorry.
So if that person wants to come and help us, they can.
Right. Otherwise, never mind. I'm not going to say that. But this does have a rack and pinion slide right here. Let's come right on down here. And like you said, we are at Bish's grand opening. This is their newest location in Calera, much larger than their last one. Looking at the back, Alliance gives you these great ladders. They are way more sturdy than some are. It also is going to be prepped for a backup camera. You do have a receiver hitch down here. This is going to be for an accessory rack.
Straightforward.
Yes, in case you need to rinse your feet off when you go to the beach. Coming around to the campsite, you are going to have another rack and pinion slide here on the front. We have no idea how long these awnings are because for some reason Alliance does not give us that information, but you're going to have two very nice size awnings on your campsite, so that's going to give you a lot of coverage, a lot of shade for those summer months that are just about to
I'm going to tell you, this one looks like 10 foot and that looks like 14. So
yeah, so I mean it's going to be really good campsite coverage. Now here is the other side of your pass-through storage. Your awning controls are over here. Front cap lights. You got another spray port in here. Absolutely love that. And right up here they give you a camp table, so it has its very own little storage area. So
did they have a spare?
it does have a spare. I don't know where it is.
There it is.
Yes.
It's up under here
Okay.
where the sewer caddy is.
Yes, it is. All right. And looks like your quick connect is right under there too. All right. This is a good one. Let's go take a look.
Now we don't have lights.
No. And we may or may not have people come in. We don't know. You never know. Quick look around. Like I said earlier, this is, that great rear living layout.
And I also know one of our subscribers actually really likes this floor plan.
Oh, okay.
Our buddy Phil.
Oh, hi Phil. Send me some cookies. All right. Okay, right here at the back, you're going to have a sofa. This is going to trifold sofa pull out, make some additional sleeping. Nice end tables on both sides. You do have storage across the top, and then there's an open storage area right in the middle. Nice big windows. Y'all know I am a sucker for these giant windows at the back. I absolutely love them. Awesome places here to slide your little accessory pillows or your
blankets.
Yeah, roll up your lightweight blankets and slide them right down in there. You're also going to have power and USB charging on both sides of this, so very nice and convenient. Your front slide is going to have your theater seating in it, and this is directly in front of your TV. Armrest, lots and lots of cup holders in case you want to drink with both hands. You can got a cup holder on both sides.
Yeah.
So
cool.
There you go. What is that? USB? Yeah, charging right there. Again, Alliance just knocks it out of the park with their big windows, and this one is no different. You've got them all the way across here on your campsite. Really super nice freestanding table with chairs. I love that there's no pedestal or anything in the middle for you to hit your knees on. Blackout shades. Yeah, slow. They call it slow rise. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now this is a travel trailer and not a fifth wheel, but it does give you these tall slide rooms.
You know what?
Yeah, no, Jerry's, right at 6
Even with
feet
my
tall.
hat on.
And your sneakers.
Yeah.
So, great.
That's awesome.
Just great. Now let's turn around. If I have a seat here on the theater seating. Now, like I said, we're not hooked up to power, so unfortunately we cannot run the televator up. But I'm pretty sure it's going to have a 42-inch TV.
42, I think.
I don't think it's got a 50, but they could fool me. Who knows? Storage up above, some nice storage below for you to stash your remotes. Very good size electric fireplace.
Actually, this is a great opportunity to, hey, if you don't need that TV, you got a great window here.
Yeah, so if you just want to go somewhere and just enjoy the nice peace and quiet, except that there's sirens going off here. But, yeah, just leave the televator down and you've got a wonderful view out here. Your island. Amazing. No heating in the floor in this unit. It is going to be in the cabinetry. You've got a plug-in right here at the corner. Solid surface on these. High-rise faucet with a sprayer and a super nice stainless steel sink. I love that they put the drain on one end.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I love these solid surface.
Absolutely.
I think that's the one thing that we look for in our next one.
Yes. I mean, if you take care of the sealed edge, you know, they're going to last a long time. You just have to take a little extra care of them. Silverware drawer.
Silverware drawer.
Yeah. You know what I mean.
Yes, ma'am.
Is right there. It's wonderful.
Whoa.
Yeah, a nice pull-out garbage can. Some more storage under the sink. I love that they did a flush floor slide in here so you can put your toes in the kitchen. On both sides of your microwave. Nice big storage area. A little bit smaller microwave, but hey, it'll heat up those sausages and hot dogs and things that you grilled the day before. 3-burner cooktop with an oven. Nice big drawer down here for your pots and pans and storage on both sides.
Yep.
I mean, there's nothing to complain about. It's all great. You are going to have a 12-volt compressor fridge in here. And this looks to be about the same size as ours. And you would be surprised at what you can get in it when you need to.
Yes, you can.
They do give you a pantry here.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, he could probably give you a better look at it. Your fuses are going to be in there, covered up. One little issue with that is when the slide's in, you're not going to be able to get to your fuses. So
it's going to come way over here.
That is something to keep in mind. Real quick, looking back in this direction, you got your AC unit right up there. Now over here with, I always call this a coffee station.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess you can use it for whatever. We would definitely use it for coffee. But great storage up here. It's even solid surface on this little ledge here. 2 drawers, and then lots of space underneath. So soft close hinges in case we didn't point that out.
Awesome.
Now Alliance does give you actual buttons, so you have buttons and so that you can actually do stuff. JBL control is right up there.
All right, let's check out this bathroom. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So at 6 feet tall, Jeremy's got plenty of headroom. Big old skylight. That's bigger than our skylight.
Bright too.
It is bright.
It's a 30 by 36. I mean, it's just like ours.
Yeah. So today is the second day of spring, so yeah, nice sunshine out today. Got these really neat hooks that fold up. Love those. Porcelain foot flush toilet.
Soft close lid.
Yes.
Come on, people.
Really good leg room right in front of it. Not really a linen closet, but you do have these cubbies that you can roll your towels up and get them in there. So because of that, we would give this one the golden plunger. Great drawers in here. Solid surface in the bathroom. Excellent space here.
Well, since you said that, there it is.
Yes, it is. And since we are talking about the plunger, we also would like to remind you that we are an affiliate with Liquefied. So if you would like to get 15% off of your order, look down in our description and there is a link and a coupon code, and we would love to share that with you. Alright, now we don't have lights again. Like I said, we are at their open house, so we're not plugged into anything. But here in the bedroom, now there's north-south bed. Excuse me. On each side, you're going to have hanging with a removable shelf if you need to remove it. Great storage across the top.
Yes.
You are going to have a second AC unit in this one. They give you a queen-size bed here. And then you've got drawers on each side and this really neat hidden storage area.
I like it.
Yeah. And of course you've got USB back there and regular plug-ins.
You know what I do with that? I put all the money that Phil owes me right in there.
Okay. I can't go there. And they give you reading lights. And I love where they put the reading lights. Instead of, a lot of times they'll be way up here. I like that they're down here. Now here at the foot of the bed, this is going to be kind of your wardrobe area. Excellent. Great big drawers. And let me hand that to you.
All right. And over here, like I said, you got plenty of room for all kind of clothes to be hanging up right there. And a...
I don't know why there's an antenna
coax right there. I don't know. That's
somebody who's a little more familiar, let me know, because right up above his head is where you would mount your TV.
Well, if I had a flashlight, this may be a Wi-Fi.
Oh, it could be. Because it is prepped for Starlink.
Yes, it is.
So
that may be it.
That may be it.
Okay.
Somebody who knows more about that, chime in, let us know.
Phil, tell me about that.
Right up here is going to be your second AC unit in here. Nice sliding door for your privacy. Again, if you love that rear living layout but don't want steps in a fifth wheel, this is an excellent choice to come look at.
Yes, it is. All right, everybody, if you'd like this Alliance Delta, the dealership's information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.